Welcome back friends. We will discuss the next question of the Digiquest of the same Digiquest which was conducted on 8th of October, and the next question is question number 109. Question number 109, and it is said that the solubility of potassium sulphate is given. So, let us write the question first. It is like this. When we will dissociate this one, it will be dissociated as K plus ion, aluminum ion, and we will get 2 molecules of sulphate ion. So, it is given that the solubility is X. So, it will be X, it would be X and it would be X. So, we have to calculate the KSP. KSP would be equal to X multiplied by X multiplied by 2X whole square, that will be equal to 4X raised to the power 4. Question number 110. It is given as the weak acid has a pH of 4. If it has a pH of 4, that means the concentration of H plus ion would be equal to 10 to the power minus 4. Then C alpha is equal to 10%, C is equal to 10 to the power 3, or Ka is equal to 10 to the power minus 2, alpha is equal to 10. Concentration of H plus ion is equal to 10 to the power minus 4, because pH is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 to the concentration of H plus ion. So, that means the concentration of H plus ion would be 10 into 10 to the power minus 4 moles per liter. Now, the next question would be question number 111. Which one is more acidic in aqueous solution? More acidic in aqueous solution. On dissociating AlCl3, we must be getting a molecule of aluminum ion and a molecule and 3 molecules or atoms of chloride ion. Next is question number 112. The following acids have been arranged in the order of decreasing acidic strength and identify the correct order. Have been arranged in the increasing or decreasing acidic strength. It would be 3, 2, then it would be 1. Question number 113. Among the following, the one having lowest KSP is BeOH whole twice. So, the lowest working potential. Next is question number 114. Which order is not correct? So, it would be this is not correct. Next is question number 115. How many moles of HCl must be added to 1 liter aqueous solution of HCl? H plus ion and chloride ion. How many moles of HCl? We have pH of 3 and we have to decrease it to pH of 2. How many moles of HCl must be added? Okay. So, it must be amount of added should be equal to 0.1 moles per liter. Next is question number 116. The solubility product of AgCl is given. 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 10. Precipitation of AgCl will occur only when equal volumes of which of the following solution are mixed. That is 10 raised to power minus 4 molar Ag plus ion and 10 raised to power minus 4 molar Cl minus ion. Question number 117. Which can be used to separate fluoride ion from a solution of fluoride and chloride in solution? That is H2SO4. Question number 118. Except one in rest all gases, K2Cl3 addition gives a precipitate, that is H2SO4. Question number 119. Two is less than 4 is less than 3 is less than 1. That would be the correct order for the arrangement. Question number 120. From the following information, select the strongest base. We have phosphate ion, we have HPO4 2 minus ion, we have carbonate ion, and we have sulfite ion. Question number 121. Equilibrium constant 42 is given and we have to calculate pH is given as 7.62, volume is given as 10 ml, and concentration is given as 0.2 molar. So, from here we can calculate the concentration of H plus ion to be 10 raised to power minus pH, or it would be 10 raised to power minus 7.62, that will be nearly equal to 1. Question number 122. To what volume of 10 liter of stick be diluted to double the hydroxide ion concentration? We have acetic acid and it can be hydrolyzed as acetate ion and H plus ion. We have volume of 10 liters and molar concentration of 0.5 molar, and we have a molar concentration of 0.5 molar, and Ka is given to be 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Okay. We know that pH is equal to pKa plus log 10 concentration of salt upon concentration of acid. We have to calculate, we have volume is given over here, we can calculate the value of pH minus log 10 concentration of 1.8 into 10 raised to power minus 5, it would be equal to. Next is question number 123. Calculate the ratio of and fluoride ion okay. This is, it can be distributed as H plus ion and carboxylate ion bicarboxylate ion, and HF two into 10 raised power minus 4 upon 6.6 into 10 raised power minus 4, that will be equal to 1:3.3. This is question number 123. Question number 124. FeOH is diacidic, whereas Kb1 is given as 10 raised power minus 4 and Kb2 is given as 2.5 into 10 raised power minus 6, it is given. Next is question number 125. For percentage of BOH, which of the following expression for percentage dissociation of monoacidic base in aqueous solution at appreciable concentration is not correct? One upon 1 plus 10 pKb minus POH. Question number 126. A buffer solution of 10 is 0.04 molar in sodium hydrogen phosphate and is prepared. The electrolytic oxidation of 0.1 millimole of this much is given. pKa1 is equal to 2.2 and pKa2 is equal to 7.20 and pKa3 would be equal to 12. Question number 127. A solution of KSP for barium chromate 1.2 into 10 raised power minus 10 and KSP for SR strontium chromate 3.5 into 10 raised power minus 5. So, we have to calculate the molar concentration. Barium chromate can be dissociated into barium ion and CrO4 minus ion like this. Next is question number 128. The simultaneous solubility of AgCN and AgCl is this much. (2.5 into 10 raised power minus 16 upon 1.6 into 10 raised power minus 10 multiplied by 0.1). That will be equal to near about 1 into 10 raised power minus 6. Next is question number 129. Or question number 130. The strongest demonstrated acid from among this one is Lewis Dowrian Bronsted theory, means those who are proton donator. Proton donors are called acid and proton acceptors are called base. It would be equal to chloride. Given values are, what is the equilibrium constant for the following? Ka would be equal to 5.76 into 10 raised power minus 10 and Ksp would be equal to 4.8 into 10 raised power minus 10 for ammonium ion. Next is question number 134. HI has ionization constant of ionization constant. The acid form of indicator is yellow, alkaline form is red. Which is the current? The pH range of indicator is 7 to 9. Change in pH is yellow and red. pH is between 7 to 9. And question number 135. AgCl is given and it would be equal to 10 raised to power minus 10. So, the concentration of pH is equal to minus log 10 to the concentration of H plus ion and it would be equal to 10.